Hi, this is our receiver for our recordings, and this is another unboxing for Unpack, Unbox, yay! And today we have an exciting unboxing of TOBLERON, which is 1.5 kilos. I hope you enjoy this video, guys.
So you might be wondering, where do I got this chocolate? Actually, I joined an IG contest in Instagram last February and I won. So special thanks to Miss Caterina Rodriguez, our Miss World Philippines 2018, for having this kind of contest. Okay, so let's do a fast forward since it's really hard to get rid out of the plastic from the box. Good, okay.
As a trivia, white chocolate is not actually a chocolate because it doesn't have cocoa solids or chocolate liquor on it, but it has cocoa butter in it. That's why it's white. So I like white chocolate. How about you guys? Comment below what is your favorite chocolate. As a disclaimer, this is not sponsored by Toblerone or anyone else. I want this chocolate and I just want to share it to you. Okay, so we have ito yung handle niya.
Okay, so we successfully removed the plastic from the box, and you can actually see the labels of Toblerone from the left and the right side, on the front as well, and on the back with the ingredients. And as a trivia, actually, chocolate is actually a vegetable from cacao tree family, that it is a member of okra and cotton. That's good to know. Trivia is that cacao was used as a currency during the Aztec civilization.
Ano, parang Swiss translation. Revamping. Hindi ko naman basahin. Ayan pala. So, nung transport ko siya sa bus, nag-commute lang ako. Yung hindi naman siya pansinin kasi nakalagay naman sa brown na ganito box. Hindi naman pansinin kung ang ganda ng chocolate pa yan. Kung yung yellow talaga to, papansin ka. Diyan. So I have here yung regular 100 grams of Toblerones. Tingnan nyo kung gano'n siya. So, the 4.5 Toblerone and then the regular one. This is in white, but syempre meron ding original nito. By the way, cacao beans is native to Mexico and both Central and South America. Cultivated as far as 1250 BCE or even earlier.
At this point, I was actually trying to pull the chocolate out, and I'm a bit afraid that I might break it, but it was a success. I was able to pull it out.
There we go. Thanks to this, ito na. May edit ko na lang siya. So, it's the Swiss milk chocolate with honey and almond nougat. Tobler, ito yung 100 grams to 4.5 kilos. So, the usual Tobler, the yellow one, so usual Toblerone logo here, the size here. Then, ayan, yung ingredients. Ano yan siya guys, pwede siyang pang workout. So, yun. So, ano, hindi ko na siya bubuksan ng ganito. Ito yung opening niya. Kasi, someone will actually buy this one today. And, hindi ko mahilig si chocolate. Sayang pag-gym. Pag hinain ko to, and ako, mataas ang sugar and everything. I mean, sa family namin, hindi ko natin nagpikilig si chocolate and diabetic na yun si mama. So, it's an ideal to have it. So, and yun guys, I will just post pictures na lang to how it look like inside. So thank you so much guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. And I'll definitely see you in the next one. If you like this video, click like, share, comment, and subscribe to our recordings. Thank you so much. God bless.